Hey guys, welcome back to my summer drink series where I make a series of drinks just in time for summer. Today I'm going to show you how I make a watermelon lemonade with a watermelon cold foam. First, go grab you a cup and fill it up with water. If you're going to make 2 drinks, get 2 cups of water and 2 cups of ice. My kid decided he wanted one right when I was making one. If you're making 2 drinks, just use half this pack of lemonade for each drink. Place the lid on, blend all together. Just remember, the more ice you add, the more slushy it's going to be. Now add 3 pumps of watermelon syrup to your cup. If you're making 2 drinks, add this to each cup. Pour your first cup of blended drink right into your first cup. If it's too slushy, just add a little bit more water. I'm going to go ahead and make the second drink as I add the rest of the lemonade packet. I've been really craving lemonade lately, and especially with watermelon. Finish filling up your first cup and then pour the rest into your second drink. Add 3 more pumps of watermelon syrup to a separate glass. Now add you some whipped cream into that. Get a frother and froth it all together. Once it's completely combined, pour on top of each drink. This stuff smells so good, especially like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Spread it out with your frother, make sure the entire drink is coated. Pop on a lid and add you a straw. And there you have it, guys. That's how you make a watermelon lemonade. Let's taste test it for the best part. I'm more excited for my son to try it, and especially since he loves it. Make sure to give this video a like and don't forget to follow us for more recipes. Bye, guys.